We are going to look at the different types of work and how we can set it in Google Classroom. The best way to access Google Classroom is from the tile on my Launchpad in Glow. When the courses page loads, I'm going to go to this demonstration class to show you what we can do. When I open my Google Classroom, I land on the stream. The stream allows me to post announcements. Announcements allow me to share posts which have no assignment, for example, give notices or reminders. Announcements will appear in chronological order, but I can move them around if I wish, and I can also share my announcement as a draft or schedule it for later. If a student has notifications turned on, they get an email or a notification on their phone when an announcement is posted. I'll save this one for later. Going up to the classwork page, we can now look at how we can assign work. So going to the Create button, we can see here a range of options available. Let's start by going to the assignment option. We need to give the assignment a title, and we can also include instructions. We have the ability to add files from our Google Drive or upload from the computer. We can also link to websites or add a YouTube video. If we need to create new resources, we can also do that following the Create button. We can choose who the assignment is for, a particular class, or a number of classes. We can also do the same by assigning to all students or just particular students in the class. We can give the assignment a particular points value or make it unmarked. You can set a due date and also a topic to help organize your assignments. There is the rubric option to be able to share success criteria, and you can also check for plagiarism. You have the ability to assign assignments immediately, save them as drafts, or schedule for later. Let's go back to our classwork page. One of the other options we have is a quiz assignment. A quiz assignment works like an assignment, but a blank quiz is attached to the assignment using Google Forms. Let's look at the question option. We enter the question into the question box, and then we can determine whether we're looking for a short answer or multiple choice. We also have the option to add resources. We have very similar setup options like we did for the assignment, with the difference being identifying whether students can reply to each other and whether students can go back and edit their answers. Let's go back to the classwork page. As a classroom teacher, you can also post resource materials such as syllabus or topic-related reading to the classwork page. Like other types of posts on the classwork page, materials can be organised by topic, reordered and scheduled to post later, and you can add any attachments or links that you need to. You can also see here you've got the option to be able to reuse posts. So if you're a co-teacher in another class or you want to use a resource archive class, this is possible. You can also create your topics here and drag and drop materials, assignments and questions into the topics that you create. Using topics is a great idea because it helps keep your classroom really organised. For more helpful information, check the links in the description. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe.